In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Make.com with Notion step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a powerful automation setup that lets you connect your workflows, pull data from Notion, and start building automations in just a few minutes. If you're using Notion for project management, databases, or documentation, and Make for automation, this integration is a game changer. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more automation and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Make.com. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for your automations. Once you're on the Make dashboard, this is where all your scenarios and automations live. From here, look for the option that says Create Scenario and click on it. This will start the process of building a brand new automation from scratch. Next, you'll see a few options for how you want to start. Go ahead and click on Build from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas so you can choose exactly which app and trigger you want to work with. Once the scenario editor loads, you'll see a large plus icon in the middle of the screen. Click on that plus icon to add your first module. Now, in the search box that appears, type in Notion. As you type, Make will filter the available apps. Click on the Notion app when it shows up in the list. After selecting Notion, you'll see a list of available actions and triggers you can use with Notion. For this example, click on Gets a Specified Page. This module allows Make to retrieve data from a specific page inside your Notion workspace. Once you select that option, Make will prompt you to set up a connection. Go ahead and click on Create a Connection. This is where you authorize Make to access your Notion account. A new window will open asking you to choose the type of Notion connection. Click on the option for Notion Public. This is commonly used and works well for most integrations. After selecting Notion Public, you'll be guided through the authorization process. Log into your Notion account if prompted, and make sure you grant Make access to the pages or databases you want to use. Take a moment to review the permissions so you understand what Make can access. Once everything looks good, click Save to complete the connection. At this point, your Make account is successfully connected to Notion. You can now select a specific Notion page, map data fields, and continue building out your automation by adding more modules. This is the foundation for automations like syncing data, updating records, triggering workflows, or connecting Notion with other tools like Google Sheets, Slack, or email. And that's it. You've now integrated Make.com with Notion and are ready to start building powerful automations. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.